Today we will discuss about the exercise 8.3 question number first of first. We are going to evaluate sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree equal to, we have idea sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now we will change sine 18 degree in the term of cos. So we will write here, if sine 18 is given, that means sine 90 minus 72 by cos 72. हमें 18 लाना था, इसलिए 90 से 72 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो 18 आ जाएगा. साइन 90 माइनस 72 डिग्री बाई cos 72 डिग्री. वी हैव आइडिया साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा. सो cos 72 डिग्री, बिकॉज एट द प्लेस ऑफ थीटा आई हैव रिटन 72 and by cos 72 degree. So after cancellation we will get 1. The result of this question is 1. Again, second of first, tan 26 by cot 64. Tan 26 by cot 64 इक्वल टू, अब हम 90 से कितना घटाएं कि 26 आए. 90 से 64 घटाने पर 26 आता है. सो वी विल राइट हियर tan 90 माइनस 64 बाई cot 64. किसी एक ही को चेंज करेंगे, या तो अपर पार्ट को चेंज करेंगे या लोअर पार्ट को चेंज करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव tan 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू cot थीटा. सो वी विल राइट cot 64 डिग्री बाई cot 64 डिग्री equal to 1. Again, third of first, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree equal to, either we change cos or sin. Now I am going to change cos. Cos 90 डिग्री माइनस 42. यदि 90 से 42 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 48 आएगा, इसलिए हमने इस टर्म को लिख दिया माइनस साइन 42 डिग्री इक्वल टू, वी हैव आइडिया cos 90 माइनस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा, दैट मीन्स साइन 42 डिग्री माइनस साइन 42 डिग्री इक्वल टू 0. This is the result. Question number 4th of first. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. I will change cosec. Cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59 degree 90 minus theta. 90 minus 51 is equal to 31. 59 is equal to 31. So cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree equal to 0. That's our result. Question number second. First, tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. So that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equal to 1. We are going to show LHS. Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. We will change only two, tan 48 and tan 23. Tan 48 means tan 90 minus 42 and tan 23 means 90 minus 67 and tan 42 into tan 67. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So here cot 42 degree. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So at the place of tan 90 minus 67, we will write cot 67. Tan 42, tan 67. We have idea cot is the multiplicative inverse of tan. So we can write it 1 by tan 42, 1 by tan 67, tan 42, tan 67. Tan 67, tan 67, tan 42, tan 42 is equal to 1. It's proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Second, cos 38, cos 52. Cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38, sin 52 minus sin 38, sin 52 is equal to 0. Here we change either this or this. Cos 38 minus into cos 38 means equal to cos 38 LHS. Cos 38 means it is given cos 38, cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 equal to cos 38, we will write cos 90 minus 52 and cos 52 means cos 90 degree minus 38 minus sin 38 sin 52. cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin 52 degree, sin 38 degree minus sin 38 and sin 52. Both are same. So result will be 0. RHS proved. Question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, where 2a is an acute angle. Find A. Solution. Given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. We can write this tan this at the place of tan 2a cot 90 minus 2a, because we have idea cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So we can write cot 90 minus 2a at the place of tan 2a, and here cot a minus 18. Here 90 minus 2a and a minus 18 both are acute angle. So 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. We will change the side, then we get 90 plus 18 equal to a plus 2a. 108 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 108 by 3, that is 36. So angle A is equal to 36 degree. It's our answer. Question number 4. Tan A is equal to cot B. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. A plus B equal to 90 degree. Solution. Given that tan A is equal to cot B, at the place of tan A we can write cot 90 minus A. So we will get cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Here angle 90 minus A and B both are acute angle. So 90 minus A equal to B. After changing the side, we get 90 degree is equal to A plus B. So it is proved angle A plus B is equal to 90 degree. It is given if sec 4A is equal to, if sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20 degree, cosec A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, where 4A is an acute angle, find A. Find A. Solution. Given that sec 4A equal to cosec A minus 20. We know that cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So at the place of sec 4A we can write cosec 90 minus 4A equal to cosec A minus 20. Here 4A and A minus 20 both are acute angle. So 90 minus 4A equal to A minus 20. That means 90 plus 20 is equal to A plus 4A equal to 110 is equal to 5A. So A is equal to 110 by 5 is equal to 22. So angle A is equal to 22 degree. It's our answer. Question number 6. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. Solution. We know that in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Both sides are divided by 2. So A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. Here we have taken B plus C. So we will write here b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 180 by 2, that means 90 degree. 90 minus a by 2. We will take sine both sides. Now we will take sine both sides. Both sides. So sine b plus c by 2, because here b by 2 plus c by 2, that means b plus c by 2 equal to sine 90 minus a by 2. Again sine b plus c by 2 equal to, we have idea, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos a by 2. It is proved. Question number 7. Express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Between 0 and 45. So, solution. Sin 67 means 90 minus 23 plus cos 90 minus 15. We have idea sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 23 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, sin 15 degree. Here we are watching these angles are between 0 and 45. So it's our result.